It feels like I'm skydiving when I text you. Rose petals on the floor outside your bedroom. Sunshine whenever you smile.
Yo guys, what's going on? It's Carnage back again. I'm going to be showing you how to create a Terraria server. Literally, guys, this will take 3 minutes, pretty much no time at all. So you're going to want to head onto your Steam, go to your library, locate Terraria, right click on Terraria, go properties, local files, and then make sure you click on browse local files. Once you're here, this simple guys, double click your start server to be exact. So it's now asking you to pick a world, so let's do Builder's Workshop. So choose your world number, type 3. So your slots, the max is 16, so type in 16 or just press enter. You're going to want to do your default port, so just press enter again. Do you want to port forward? Yes you do, press yes or type in Y and then enter. And then your server password, for the sake of this video I'm just going to do Carnage. Just type that in. Right, that's all lowercase, press enter. Now it's building the world, and as you can see, server started. It's calling for the port on 777. So all you're going to want to do now guys is just go to Terraria and press play. It is that simple. Go on Terraria. And I couldn't stress this enough how simple this is. Go to multiplayer, join via IP, select your character. So as you can see here, it's going to ask you what to do anyway. So type in 127.0.0.1. This is to join localhost, so for the host of the server. If you're hosting on your own PC, you can do it that way. But if not, you can type in your IPv4 address. All you need to do is go to the command prompt, type ipconfig, and you get it right there guys. So then type no, that's it, 127.0.0.1. that's your default port, or localhost port anyway. Type accept, yes, that's the server port. Now it requires a password, so we set it as lowercase Carnage, accept, and we're in. We're into Builder's Workshop, just like that guys. Obviously it is that simple. You don't need no other steps required. And yeah guys, if you need any help, you know, type in the comment section down below and I'll help you out. It's been Carnage in a bit.